Hello and welcome to another update video about PYTH network. Yeah, let's talk about the potentials here. The last rally was clearly in 3 waves, got rejected at the 72 cent level, which is the 100% extension level of that first leg up from the 13th of April low. That's typically a key target for an ABC structure or for the C wave in that ABC, and it's also in this case, because it was just a 3-wave rally, a possible resistance level and rejection point for that 4th wave that you can see highlighted in white. We have 2 bullish counts on this chart available. The yellow one is highly questionable. Let me take you through the yellow one first, and then we can talk about the white count. So in the yellow scenario, we have a so-called 1-2, 1-2 setup. Questionable because this low came down too low to be reliable, and as I said before, probabilities are high that we are in a larger degree wave 2 already. But in this case, it is possible that a low formed in this wave 2, but it would need to prove itself because of the depth of the decline. How would it do that? Well, through giving us 5 waves up. As you can already see, we don't have 5 waves up. In previous updates, I showed you what the market needs to give us. Basically in order to believe that we have bottomed in wave 2. And that's a 5-wave move to 85 cents. Now, the market hasn't really done that at this stage, right? So, and looking at this structure here, okay, it would need to do an imminent turnaround. So the yellow count is really less reliable. We already saw that weeks ago when I highlighted to you that this pullback is actually too deep for a 1-2, 1-2 setup. Now that takes us to the larger 1-2 setup with support between 50 cents and 31.4 cents. Here we could be in the larger wave 2 correction in which we've just completed a 4th wave corrective rally. We're now in the 5th wave down. So what is the 5th wave, let's say, target to the downside? Here we can calculate it based on the length of waves 1 and 3. When we go to the top of the wave 4 and we're looking for, I think I chose the wrong 2. We're looking for the 61.8 extension, possibly the 78.6, but that would be quite extended, but we'll see. I mean, they are not super reliable, but they've the best we've got. It also overlaps this area here with the 61.8 retracement there. Yeah. So we have 43.7 cents as the 61.8 extension. Very common target for a 5th wave. Maybe if it extends a bit, the 78.6. That's well within the overall yellow support region, which is relevant for the entire wave 2 correction. And it's just an additional area to watch, really. It would now take a break above the 72 cent level to suggest that we've bottomed already. Yeah, it just, for the yellow count to be kept alive, it would need to turn around exactly here. So unless it does that, we'll probably get another low, and then you have an area to watch. From there, the price has another chance to rally in a 3rd wave. It might just need that one more low to scare people off. We'll see. The parameters are defined. The larger wave 2 support area is well defined. Any break below 31 cents, however, will make the bullish scenario far less likely. Okay, so this is where probabilities will shift. Ideally, in any wave 2, we don't want the price to go below that, but I have to say, formal invalidation is not going to happen. Invalidation. So, can't speak and write. So that's the invalidation point, and that is down there at the January low, and that's the 21 and it's 22 cents. Okay, so below 31 cents, it's very likely we're going to test that level, but I also have to say that below the 31 cent level, it's very likely we're going to break. Please be aware this is a young chart, less reliable, of course, but if it's going to participate in the bull market further, ideally it's going to turn around before breaking below 31 cents, and then 3rd wave target to the upside would take us minimally to $2.31, better $2.78. That's my update about PYTH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.